Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I really felt like creating a warrior makeup for today, so that is exactly what I did. This makeup is really easy to create, and if you want to know how, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. To start out today's warrior makeup, I have the black by Diamond Effects. This is the essential black, and I also have the face smoothie sponge by Meron. So I put the black on the sponge already, and with that I'm gonna make a base in black on the skin. So basically I'm gonna paint my forehead in the black, my eyes, and just under my eyes as well. And I put it on this sponge because that is the easiest and the quickest way to create this black base. I will probably wear a wig at the end, but just in case I will make enough of my forehead black. Switching to a brush for the corners of my eyes and just under my eyes. This is just a clean brush to kind of smudge that water-based face paint that is under my eye a bit. I'm using the same black face paint on my lips. And you can definitely just use a black lipstick, but I like working with the water-based face paints. I'm switching to the Meron Star Blend in black, a pressed powder, and I have one of the Titanic Effects powder brushes to put it on the skin. So first up I want to create a black eyelid because, as you can see, my eyes with opening and closing kind of smudges the water-based face paint, and if you put a bit of powder over that, you prevent that smudging and they will stay beautiful and black longer. So I'm just putting that Star Blend over the water-based face paint, and then I also want to use it to create a shadow where the black face paint ends, just to add a bit of drama to this look. The black pencil liner by Meron to color my waterline black, because otherwise that waterline is so prominently my own skin tone that it doesn't really fit the makeup anymore. Time to have a bit of fun with the diamond dust and the fuse liquid. So this one is called Silver. I'm gonna mix it with the fuse liquid so I can paint lines with it on my skin. Here it is mixed, and I will put it on the skin using a detail brush by Titanic Effects. I have a bit of the silver diamond dust, but without the fuse liquid, so just a powder, and I will put it over my lips just to put a bit of shine to those lips. Now all the silver I want is on my skin. I'm switching to the next diamond dust. So this color is called Citrin. Probably not pronounced very English, but well, that is the name of the color. Also gonna use this one with the fuse liquid. And that is it for the gold. So finally I have gemstone. This is kind of a copper color, and I will also mix this one with the fuse liquid. So I have quite a big brush to put some fine lines on the skin, This is the Ava number 2 brush, but as it is a very pointy brush, I think I can make those lines the way I want them to. Just don't push too hard on a bigger brush. The advantage of using a bigger brush is that you don't need to constantly reload your brush. So that is a bonus or a plus. Finally, back to the Star Blend in black, just to darken up a bit of those shadows under my eyes. I do feel I could intensify them just a little bit. Maybe also the shadows under my cheekbone. Now I think it's time to put my wig on. And I think that this black one is most suitable for this makeup. So I decided not to wear any contact lenses, basically because I like the way my eyes look with this makeup. But if you want to make this into a creepy makeup, you can definitely choose some black ones. Clearas would be amazing with this makeup. White ones will be scary, red ones will be scary, or you can make them really intense with blue or green lenses. But anyway, with that, my warrior makeup tutorial for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. We have 3 new videos every week, so definitely stay tuned.